Dr. Raj Banerjee, and in this video we're going to talk about autoimmunity and my opinion on the natural or synthetic thyroid hormones. Okay, so there's a lot of discussion on what's better, the natural thyroid hormones like Armour or the synthetic thyroid hormones. And to be honest with you, I have no love for either one. If I can help somebody without actually giving them any kind of hormones, I would actually do that. Or if their doctors can actually help somebody without giving them any hormones. So, we've discussed many different things in the past videos. We discussed about thyroid peroxidase or TPO antibodies. We've talked about TGA antibodies. We've talked about TSI. We've talked about specific antibodies to thyroid gland itself. The other ones that we're going to talk about is going to be with the actual end product or the production of the thyroid hormone, which is the T3 and T4. So if, for example, you have some kind of severe autoimmune case, problems like conditions like lupus or MS, ALS, those kind of things, what's going to happen is, your body's actually creating these antibodies against these hormones or other tissues, right? And it's not really common, but it does happen. And so you have to be aware of these things. And actually, what will happen is that actually your immune system will actually start attacking your thyroid. And things like Armour and natural hormones will actually make this attack worse. So in cases like this, synthetic hormones might work better for you. So basically what ends up happening is that you actually have an increase in the systemic inflammation when you're put on these natural kind of thyroid hormones. And it's hard to really figure out because you're trying to do the best you can. You're reading these things about natural hormones and you have the systemic inflammation. Again, this is not very common, but it does happen. So if you are going through this and you're trying to do everything you can, and your doctor's scratching his head and trying to figure out what this is going on, this video might make sense for you, okay? So just because something is natural, like Armour or natural thyroid, doesn't mean that it's going to be better for a patient. In fact, like I said, I really have no real love for either one. Again, if what we need to do is we need to figure out the actual triggers, and we need to, like I said in the other videos, put a dimmer switch and dim down the attack that your immune system is actually creating. So again, we have covered many of these concepts in autoimmunity. I'm actually making more videos about this, and this is a big topic. And what the Endocrine Society estimates is about 90% of people that have low thyroid is actually Hashimoto's or autoimmunity. So it is a big problem here, and you do need to get tested to figure if your body's actually going through this. So this is the end of this video, and I just want to leave you with one quick point. And if you get this, you can free yourself from chronic fatigue and pain and depression and overweight. The female hormones do not all of a sudden malfunction by themselves. They are responding to stress as a stress hormone called cortisol. Every molecule of cortisol that you produce comes from progesterone. When under stress, guess what happens? Your cortisol goes up and your progesterone drops. So what you need to do is you need to figure out what your cortisol level is and fix it. And throughout these videos, I'm going to show you the whole physiology of the female hormones and what you can do to actually get the results that you're looking for so you don't have these crazy symptoms. That'll help you eliminate depression, fatigue, night sweats, hot flashes, mood swings, all that stuff we just talked about. And it'll improve your metabolism so you're able to actually start to lose weight again. This is Dr. Raj Banerjee. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next one. Please make sure you like my video and also subscribe to my channel so I can continue to make these kind of videos for you. Your support is appreciated. Leave a comment down below letting me know what kind of other videos you'd like to see so I can make them for you. Thank you so much, and please visit my site, getleantoday.com.